Good morning students, I am Atul Vikram Garoda. Today I will be teaching you the chapter Playing with Numbers. In my previous class I have explained what is a factor. So again I will explain this one. A factor of a number is the So, what does it mean? A factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. What? Exact divisor. What is the exact divisor? When we get 0 in the remainder. Let me give you an example. 12. If I'll divide it with 2, then 2 6 ja 12. So I'm getting 0 in the remainder. So 2 is the factor or one of the factor of 12. This one I have already taught you in the previous class. It's just a small revision for you to understand, because factor is a very important thing to understand the next topic. Now, numbers, or we can say all the counting numbers, or these are called natural numbers, can be further divided into two parts. Those are prime numbers or composite number. Again I'll explain. We are studying about numbers. So numbers or counting of numbers, or these are natural numbers too. So they are further divided into two parts. They are prime numbers and composite numbers. Today we will be discussing what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. So what is a prime numbers? So the definition will be like this. A prime number have only two factors. Which are they? The number itself and 1. So I'll give you some example within 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. In between 1 to 10, which all are prime numbers? Let us discuss. Okay, 2 is a prime number. How? There is only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. 3, 1 into 3, then 4, 1 into 4, then 2 into 2, then 5. Okay, as I have already discussed, what are the factors? So you can say these are the combination. Look here, only one combination can be possible. When I multiply 1 into 2, I'll get 2. So there is no other combination to get 2. So 1 and 2 will be the two factors. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, which is only two factors. Now 3. Here only 1 and 3. So here also only two factors are there for 3. But when I am considering 4, what is that? I'll have two type of combination. One is 1 into 4 and second one is 2 into 2. Hope you are understanding. Here there are 4 factors. For 4 there are 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, I have explained all the digits which is coming between 1 to 10. So here are some digits you will find. That there are more than 2 factors for some numbers and there are only 2 factors for some numbers. These are the numbers which we call prime factors. What? A prime number have only 2 factors. How? The number itself and 1. Understood? Now what is a composite number? The numbers which have more than 2 factors are composite number. What is a composite number? The numbers which have more than 2 factors are composite number. Already I was giving you example for prime numbers. There we were getting, here for 2 we were getting 1 and 2, only 2 factors. They are what? Prime numbers. But when we were checking the factors of 4, we got 1 and 4 and 2 and 4. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So here you can see, as per the definition, there are 3 factors. What are they? 1, 2 and 4. As per the definition, you can say the numbers which have more than 2 factors are composite number. So any number which have 3 factors, they are composite numbers, and any number which have only 2 factors, they are prime numbers. So hope you have understood whatever I have taught. It's very easy. Those who have understood the factors, for them it is very much easy for them to get the prime number and composite number. Thank you.